Contactless payments make everyday shopping faster and more secure by allowing you to pay with just a tap of your Android phone. This guide will show you turn on NFC and set up contactless payments on your device in just a few minutes. Method 1. Turn on via Settings menu, opening the Settings Applications menu. Scroll down and tap on Connections or Connected Devices, depending on your phone model. Next, select NFC and contactless payments from the list. Now you will see an option for NFC. Simply toggle the switch to the ON position to activate it. After enabling NFC, tap on Contactless Payments. Here you can choose your default payment service. Select your preferred digital wallet, such as Google Wallet or any supported banking app. Once selected, your phone is ready for secure tap and pay transactions. Method 2. Quick Settings Panel. Fastest way. Swipe down from the top of your screen using 2 fingers to open the Quick Settings panel. Look for the NFC icon, which may appear as NFC or a wave-like symbol. Tap the icon once to turn it on instantly. If you cannot find the NFC option, tap the Edit Pencil icon or plus button in the Quick panel. From there, locate NFC and drag it into your active Quick settings for easier access in the future. Your setup is now complete. You can start using your Android phone for quick and secure contactless payments wherever NFC is accepted. Just unlock your phone, tap and pay, no cards needed.